Another 4 more plates on each side. This is our 12 by 12. It's 1,145 pounds. It's the base unit, so you don't have any crown molding on there. God dang. 2 questions. 1, which kind of piggy do you want to be? And 2, how much weight can this barbell hold? So the first question is, what kind of piggy do you want to be? Is essentially talking about the big bad wolf, right? So we all know the story, huff, puff, blow the house down. And the reason why we're reiterating that is because, well, we sell a product that's really heavy. And people ask us, why is it so darn heavy? And the reason why is simply just because of the way we have to build it in order for it to handle wind. You want to be able to build something and forget about it. We're the kind of people that want to build our house out of bricks, not out of sticks, or I think the other one was straw. So this right here is our competitor's post. This is what you'll see a lot of, whether you're buying it from Costco or you're buying it from someone that is marking it up and saying it's designed in Europe. This thing weighs probably about, I would say 20, 22 pounds. For reference, ours in the same length weighs about 61 pounds. That's just the post structure. That's carrying the unit. If you buy food, you buy meat at the grocery store, you look at the cost per pound, especially for steak. People do that also for weight plates when they're buying plates for their barbell. They look at cost per pound. When you look at our unit compared to most of everyone else, including our competitors, you'll find our competitors are typically somewhere around $20 to $30 a pound, depending on what person you buy it from and whether or not they've marked it up and what their brand is and how good their marketing is and how much money goes into marketing. And ours is typically around $8, maybe $9 a pound, depending on the sizing. And for reference, if you're gonna buy a raw piece of aluminum, just an aluminum angle at Home Depot, you're typically gonna be more like $11 a pound for something like that. So just because of how we manufacture what we do and how we standardize what we do, we're able to get our price point at, frankly, a pretty good value when it comes to an aluminum product. At least we think so. We're gonna load this thing up first with our 8x8 size. It's about 850 pounds. All right. 18 plates, 18 plates. Just for reference, this is a little over halfway to our smallest unit, and it is a little over 60% more weight than our competitor's largest unit. So just, again, reference, it's fun for us, but we just want to make that point clear. Don't buy into the marketing, ask them how much it weighs. So let's keep going and see if we can get there. You know that the rack is also gonna start. We're gonna need to put the safety straps on it pretty quick here. You believe someone deadlifted this? Crazy. Yeesh. Stop. All right, so 850 pounds. It's our smallest unit. It's an 8x8 right there. Obviously the bar's already bending. It's more plates than I originally imagined for 850 pounds. One, yep. 1,000. That's so much weight. This is our 12 by 12. It's 1,145 pounds. It's the base unit, so you don't have any crown molding on there. Just the unit itself, standard base plates, standard unit. It's 12 plates on each side, so 1,145. So we'll lift it up and see how bad the barbell bends. Thanks to Chris, he is our operations manager. He is operating the forklift today. All right. Getting some pretty good bend out of the bar. I don't know if you guys seen, if you're not into lifting, you don't know what a Duffalo bar is. I'll show you what that looks like. It's starting to look like that. Lower back down and we'll load on. We'll go to a 12 by 16. Another 4 more plates on each side. All right, I need to go to the other side. Thank you. 1. Oh my God, that's got some bounce. It will end up being 1,500. God dang. Me. This is our 12 by 16. Again, Trying to give a good representation. 2.5 plates on each side is our typical, what you'll find from our competitor's largest unit. We now have, what is it, 15 plates on each side? 8, 10, 16 plates on each side. As you can tell, I'm running out of room. So I actually bought another 4 plates. I don't think I'll be able to fit our actual, our heaviest unit. I don't think I'll even be able to fit it on the barbell, but I do think I can get at least one more plate on there to try it out. So should have bought 55-pound plates. We had a couple people ask when we were doing this, because everyone in the company is watching right now, about what about from the center point. So we redid the 12 by 16, 1,500 pounds at the center point. You can see what that looks like. Obviously we're slightly off, so we'll fix that on the next one. And then we're gonna add those extra plates that we can actually fit, because the collar wasn't fitting before, but now we'll do it now that we are on the ground, and disassemble the whole rack. We'll try it again, but from a safer place. Just for reference, this is 1,600 pounds or 1,575 pounds. This is our 12 by 18 standard pergola. So no crown, which obviously would add weight, no center beam, none of the extra stuff, and it looks like this. The reason why we build our product like this is because, again, we want peace of mind. We want to build a house of bricks. And so you can actually build this size unit, the framework of a 12 by 18 in Florida with 160 mile-an-hour winds with the louvers closed, and you're fine. That meets our engineering. Actually, our largest unit, a 12 by 20, does not fit on this barbell. I have 2 more plates over here that don't fit. Just give you a reference, when you're looking at buying one of our products, or any product, I guess, you wanna know value, you wanna know what you're getting, that is what you're getting. And at the best cost per pound you're gonna find when it comes to an aluminum product. Harrison with Luxury Pergola. See you next time.